everyone. I am Ndimufo Aretas, founder and executive director at TC Techies. Together with Sama's Care, that is Samando Fomwana, we had this brilliant initiative to come together and see how we can train one or two upcoming entrepreneurs who might be interested in telling their stories in a unique way. We decided to train them on whiteboard animation because this is one skill that they admire so much. I usually get them talking about it from YouTube and other forums, and thanks to some other partners I was able to acquire skills in that, and we decided to come together to help one another share ideas to see how we can build our capacities in whiteboard animation.
Hello to everyone. My name is Sarah Sakwe, a teacher by profession. I teach biology. I heard about the whiteboard animation show and I was so interested in it. So I decided to attend the workshop. It has helped me a lot because based on my field, we have a lot of drawings, and with the way things are going on right now, students are best in storing information when it is being passed through images. So with the whiteboard animation show, it is going to help the students a lot to retain whatever they have learned.
And I'm called Nde Lovett. I'm a physics teacher by profession. I'm a farmer. I'm also a social entrepreneur. And learning the whiteboard animation has been a great experience. So it helped me a lot, especially in the teaching field, because doing the whiteboard animation will help a lot because you help to make your lesson you do with computers and everything. So, and from 3 students that I have in class, if you teach them picture, I think they can easily put them in your minds before, like, and stay for a longer time before it can go off your minds.
I'm Dominga Dixon. I'm from the Good Shepherd home in Abango. Whiteboard animation is something I saw at first on WhatsApp groups where people use in advertising their products or even their companies. I never ever thought one day I will have to come and sit and learn how to design or maybe give advert using whiteboard animation. And now I am able to do presentations using whiteboard animation, and I think that will go a long way to give advert to my home, since it is a place people frequently visit, and some people will say they've never heard about this. If you do whiteboard animation, you send it maybe even on Facebook, the home's website, WhatsApp groups, that will create a lot and a lot of awareness.
Hello, I'm Dofong Davidson Sama. It's been quite an opportunity to have benefited from this whiteboard animation program. I am the CEO and founder of Sama's Care, and I'm also a teacher. I really want to appreciate Aretas of TC Tech for accepting to partner with us in order to educate some young entrepreneurs and leaders on this program. This is going to go a long way to helping me show the world and tell the world about what we do here at Sama's Care through video animations. And it's also going to be an important tool for me to use to tell the stories of many other young leaders who are doing amazing jobs and opportunity wherever they find themselves. Thank you, and you can always rely on us for most of these programs.
Sure.
So I thank the Sama's Care and TC Tech for coming together and bringing up this opportunity.
So I want to thank the TC Techies for this great initiative. Thank the Sama's Care for coming together, as that's what we need in Africa.
So we all will be ambassadors for Sama's Care and TC Tech.
Thank you. The 2 days that we had working on the WASI project, which is a whiteboard animation for social impact, was quite interesting, and I'm so amazed at the way the trainees picked up the whiteboard animations and their reviews. From their reviews, they are really satisfied. I hope I'm going to continue. I'll have the strength to spread out these skills and capacity building workshops to other entrepreneurs in other areas. Feel free to contact us. You visit our website, and as you're watching this channel right now, feel free to subscribe and make sure that you ring on that notification button. We have interesting projects coming up. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Summer's Care, and we remain partners for life. Thank you.